Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new unboxing of the new iPhone 13 Pro with the new blue Sierra color. In this video, we're going to unbox it, so let's just jump into the unboxing. So for the purpose of unboxing, I got my here MacBook Pro for the comparison and my Tesla Model 3 key. So here's the new blue Sierra Blue iPhone. So the Pro series comes in the black box, the regular 13 comes in the white box. So the box, as you can see, doesn't come in the plastic cover anymore. So it has this two tabs, bottom and on the top, where you can just pull them off and open the iPhone, so you know it's sealed by checking it closer. So let's zoom in. Now you can see here the details, and if I come closer, you can read the top, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, and on the bottom you can see I've got the iPhone 13 Pro Sierra blue color, 512 gigabytes. So this is the tab, one on the top and one on the bottom. Looking at the sides, we have the iPhone in blue, a little Apple logo in blue, and same here. Now this is the picture, so it still has that sort of 3D effect. If you look at the box, maybe not best visible in this light, but it has like a 3D texture when you come closer with your finger. Now I've wanted the gray color, but I've got this below the retail price, so I really didn't care for the color. I'm gonna put it in the mask anyway. So let's just unbox it and open it up. So let's pull this tab up here on the top, and voila, and one on the bottom as well. So just here, comes off easily. So now it's officially open, and lifting the box. Wow, so there it is. There's the new iPhone, and I gotta say I like the blue color. I've seen it in the Apple store. This is the interior of the box. Now it does look quite gorgeous in the blue. It just depends on the light. So I got some warm light here and a cold light, so you can see a little bit. Let me just zoom out so you can see that in the light shade of blue. So it's quite nice. Zoom back in. Now let's take it out of the box. And first, finger smudges on the side there. And I'm just gonna put the iPhone on the side there and show you the inside of the box. So very standard, we already know now, designed by Apple in California. We got a little paperwork here, and inside you got, and this one's Thunderbolt and USB-C. I might use this in my Tesla because my Tesla Model 3 refresh has the USB-C. Although I do use the wireless charger in my Tesla. So if you want to see full in-depth review, the most detailed review on internet, I'm gonna put it in the little top link in the corner, so check it out. And just to check what's inside this little paper work, so we got here, still got the SIM for the pin. It's nice. You got the instructions here and some boring information, text, and you get the little Apple sticker. Now they send you only one, used to be two, but to be honest, I've never used these. I'm at least personally not the type of person who would stick this on his car, or on my car. So I'm okay with that if someone else wants to. And just to mention that Apple has really dedicated to leave plastics. So they want to, by I think 2025 or 30, I'm going to be talking from top of my head now, they want to reduce the amount of waste they're creating. So it's nice that they've at least removed the plastics. Now let's come closer to the iPhone, and once again, beautiful color, I gotta say. And since I'm using my iPhone 12 as a camera, I can't really show it to you, but basically it's design-wise exactly the same, but these lenses are now a lot bigger. Let me come a little bit closer so you can see this. So they're bigger, and the position is the same. You still got the LiDAR, the LED flashlight, the little microphone. What's interesting on the blue one, the stainless steel is blue now, and they've developed a special method to make it blue. And I gotta really get a case tomorrow for this one. So on the front as well, as mentioning, no plastic anymore, it's just a paper cover. So for those of you who are newbies, you got here for the volume switch to mute, you have the plus and the minus buttons, and on the side you have the power button. On the top, there's just antennas, on the bottom as well, and over here also for the newbies, although I think everyone knows this, there's the Thunderbolt. Unfortunately, still no USB-C. I'm really interested to see if the European Union will force Apple next year to actually switch to USB-C, so every phone could have the same standard, because Apple is making a lot of money selling those cables. And on peeling the plastic, that was very satisfying. So you do get some glue on the inside of that, but looking at the screen the first time before we smudge it with our fingers, if you got one of those Apple cloth that you got with their original Macs, that's, for me personally, the best thing to clean this one up. So let's power it up. Actually, before we do that, if I don't think it got that. So you can see a smaller notch. You have the different microphone now on the top there. Actually, let's see if we can zoom in. Well, the picture won't be greatest because the 12 Pro doesn't have the best camera when it comes to zoom, so this should have improved camera. That's where I'm eager. If you check my channel, I actually do car reviews, and iPhone is my primary camera. I've also switched in this one to the 512 gigabytes. My current one has 256. So I went for 512. I didn't went for 1 terabyte. I was thinking, but I think this should be okay. Maybe in the next 2 generations. So let's power it up. There's a little Apple logo, and just it feels the same in the hand, to be honest. But this should have also a longer battery, and there it is, hello. So it's pretty nice, and you can see the notch is a lot, well, not a lot, but it's smaller, definitely noticeable. And one of the things I really do love is the fact that this screen is super responsive. Look at this refresh rate. So that is just crazy. And you can actually see how my iPhone 12 Pro is just balancing the light here. So I might do a separate video comparing those two. And now when this is white, the background becomes yellow. And look at this, when I go blue, it becomes more cold, a little bit cold, but still. So the refresh rate on the screen is amazing, even better in person, because I'm filming in 30 frames, not 60. I might start filming on 60 frames. I personally, although I'm in Croatia, I like to have my region in English and stuff like that, but I'm gonna set up my phone. It's gonna take some time. So thank you for watching the unboxing. I might do a comparison of the cameras because those are my tools. So I'm really eager to see the improvements of this one. Thank you for watching. Be a cool person, smash the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you want to see car reviews, feel free to browse the channel. I do in-depth car reviews, probably the most detailed car reviews on internet. They're not so much entertaining like Doug DeMuro or Matt Watson from CarWow, but they're really informative if you're looking for a new car. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.